One. This is video. Say hi. Hi guys. Welcome to Dragon Treasure. Here at summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio, and Sabe. Okay. Ate, how much is this? Oo. Okay, so we're here at Good Taste Bake Shop. Dito pa rin sa Baguio. Ito yung mga meron sa Hey! Okay, so welcome to Night Market Baguio.
Welcome to Anzabi, your travel guide. We're here to show you from coast to side, exploring the world and living the dream. From sunrise to sunset, we're on the scene. Anzabi, where life's adventure, travel, lifestyle. Let's take it further. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll go. Hey, Anzabi, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Welcome back to the vlog. My goodness, hindi ko na naman dala yung mic.
Ayan, pupunta na siya.
Okay, so we're here at Good Taste Bake Shop. Dito pa rin sa Baguio. Ito yung mga meron sa Lumos Beach Float Overload. In fairness, for 90 pesos. Malaki na yun, no? Tiramisu cake. Parang I wanna try the tiramisu cake. They also have this streamlined vanilla. Ang kukulit, ang cute ng mga pangalan nila. Blueberry, strawberry. Syempre, nandito kami sa Baguio. Dulce de leche, leche plan. Meron din silang mga croissant. Compare before na small karinderya lang sila. Now, Good Taste is already a restaurant. Meron pa silang pa-umbrella. Cute to.
Your travel guide. We're here to show you from coast to side, exploring the world and living the dream. From sunrise to sunset, we're on the scene. Anzabi, where life's adventure, travel, lifestyle. Let's take it further. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll go. Hey!
Sarili ko. Paano ba ito, ate? Ay, siya may break. Ay, tataas lang. Ah, okay. Ah, sige. Ay, lili ko. Ay! Wow! Ayan pa dyan.
Life is oh so sweet. Anzabi, where life's adventure, travel, lifestyle. Let's take it further. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll go. Anzabi, let's go, let's go.
Nagmamoist. Saan yung
Ano
mga
ba?
alaga ko? Ano na kayo? Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Ayaw ako bandar. Sandali. Ay, na, gumagalaw na. Ano yung may bag? Wow! Ooh! Hello, Terrence! Talia! 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 Busy sila. So we're here at Baguio. Biking, biking, biking. Woo! Saya. See you soon in my vlog on Saturday. Ciao! Okay, let's do this. Hi! Welcome to Baguio! Medyo this is where you can ride the horse. And mga kabayo. Tapos ikot-ikot kayo, papicture din kayo. Meron din ditong fruit. Uy! And then, plants. If you wanna go. Check out some plants. Malaysian moms. Bring it at home, bonsai. Everlasting. Ah, yan pala yung everlasting. 50. 2 for 100. Ba't ganun? 50 tas 2 for 100. Siyempre. So, yan. Maaga pa kaya wala pang tao. Pero napupuno din daw to ng tao. So, pag sumakay ka ng kaba. Sige lang po. So, may mga available din na pa-picture dyan. Again, this is at Wright Park. Ayan. Tapos, sige. Kaya tayo doon para sa inyo, guys. Kung anong meron doon. Yan na yung mga kabayo. Chading! Pero I don't want to ride eh. Uy, ang lalaki ng kabayo. Uy. Uy. Ang lapit niya. Daming kabayo. Natakot ako. Ang lapit ng kabayo sa akin. Uy, ang dami nitong steps ah. Pero, sige nga. Bilang Gusto ko namang mag-exercise. Let's see kung ano yung nasa taas ng Wright Park. Ay! Hinika ako. Uy, meron pa. Ay! Uy! Imagine nyo, inakyat ko guys. Ha! Ay! 6 minutes. Ayun nyo, inakyat ko. Buti, may nag-OOTD din nung kita. Tapos nakaigarot dala siya. Dapat ginagawa nga natin yun pag nasa ibang bansa tayo. Like, when we went to Japan, rent a kimono here. You can rent shorts for 50 pesos lang, oh. Sige lang po. Tapos you can have photos like that. Maganda na rin dito sa loob. Parang Camp John Hayden. Wright Park, when you climb up, here's the mansion. Kaya pa sila umaakyat. Pero pwede mo atang kotsehin. We have a coaster eh. Pero umakyat na ako. Wait. I'll message them. Nandito na ako sa mansion. Umakyat na. Naglakad na ako. Baka hanapin nila ako. Welcome back guys. So, we're still here at Baguio. Magkakatabi lang pala siya. No? So, kanina diba, umakyat tayo from Wright Park where maraming horses. So, I just, yun nga, roam around dun sa, ayun na yung part na yun. Yung may parang rotonda. And then, now, we are here at the mansion. Ay, napagod ako. Grabe, super. So, outfit check. Wala kasi yung videographer ko. Try natin pahabaan yung DJI. Yung mas maganda. Yung outfit check. There ko. Pasensya na. Baguhang vlogger. Yan. Dapat pala ganito. Tingnan ko kung mas maganda pag mas mahaba. Hey guys! We're here at the mansion. Wag na nga. Hindi na tayo mag-outfit check. Lakad na lang muna tayo guys. Takot na kami yung tubig ko.
Baka sarado, dati kasi sarado.
So, ito yung sikat na the mansion. I-review nyo na lang kung bakit sikat to. Ano bang history ng shot. Shot. TikTok shot lang kami guys. Bye.
City lights to the quiet streams, every moment feels like a dream. Come and join us, don't miss a beat together. Life is oh so sweet. Oh! And Zobby, where life's adventure, travel lifestyle, let's take it further. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll go. Woo! And Zobby, let's go.
Ayun, gumagana pa. So, welcome to Baguio View Deck, guys. Napan ko kayo ng magandang view, okay? So, this is at Mind's View. 5 minutes away lang siya sa the mansion in Wright Park if you'll have by car. And pwede kayo mag-moment dyan. OOTD, OOTD. Photo kayo dyan. This is the view. Wow. Gutom ako. Hindi ako pa sinasabi na gutom ako, pero busog naman ako. Akit tayo sa taas. May upuan din eh. Diba? Wow. Yeah, again, welcome to the vlog. We're here at Mines View Park. And sabi, boom, boom, shake, 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 boom. Yan. Ito yung mga mabibili nyo dito sa labas. Yung cone. Magkano yung cone? 120. Ano sa inyo? Ako cone lang ako. Libre mo ako, Terence.
Ayun, may small.
Dami na to.
Ayaw niya ako ilibre. Dahil ko libre niya ako. Si No Face pala to eh.
Ano naman ang banner na waffle po?
Yan nga sa akin. Eh gusto niya kasi nasa ilalim.
Wala siyang ganito.
Ito, yung waffle ko.
Walang ganito kapag hindi na waffle.
Ano ba yung nandun sa...
Meron naman sir, pero
Hindi kita.
hindi siya ganun ganun.
Hindi siya ganun kata.
Taas man sir, mas madami.
Ano ba yung nandun sa...
Ito. Parang ano siya, syrup mismo. Sunod
Sa akin ano, cone. Kasi gusto ko yung cone eh. 120.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Ha?
Okay.
Ano sa atin?
So, we're here at Chocolate Baterol Baguio having our lunch. So, we're gonna try this one. The traditional blend. They're promising.
Nagawa?
I wanna order bibingka as well. And puto bongbong.
Yan o. Diba? Ano pa muna? Ginagawa mo nang wala.
Yeah. So, replay is your food. We have the champorado, puto bongbong, buttered chicken. Ano to? Ayang pork binaongan. Hindi. Kare-kare. Pork binaongan, caldereta. Chicken. So, let's try. Go lang.
Lakad namin. Isang oras kami naglalakad.
So, ito po sila yung mga kasama ko. Budol po na maglalakad kami hanggang Starbucks. We have a service coaster pero para mabawasan yung kinain.
Maganda dito.
Ayun na, may ilaw-ilaw.
Style
Kuya.
and travel fun. Join us now. Let's get
Kakagawa mo
things
lang
done.
yan?
As I'll be where life's adventure, travel lifestyle. Let's take it further.
I'm
Pack your
gonna
bags.
remember
Let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll
I'm
go.
gonna-
From the city lights to the quiet streams, every moment feels like a dream. Come and join us. Don't miss a beat together. Life is oh so
Kuya.
sweet.
Iba pa yun.
And I'll be where life's adventure, travel lifestyle. Let's take it further. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Here's to the places we'll go. And Zabi, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Thank you, kuya.